Hello and welcome to the channel. Welcome back to Tandy's channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Thandi Mahleka. Intombi kaNdlovu isiqhamulo mayisakamthamba esikhophani ke bafethu. Hayibo mina ship. How are you guys? So yes, welcome to my home. If you're here for the first time, this is my home. Don't worry about that one. We're going to fix that one this year, and this one, and this one, and this one, and that one over there. We're going to fix this year. So here, just cooking. Ooh, makomane. Guys eating makomane. Let me just taste. Done. Raf, say hello. Raf. Hello. Where are the babies? So Raf have baby. You have puppies. You guys have puppies. She's a mom. And this one is having babies soon. I'll be having babies. And I don't get up the rope. Pamin. Ebona. Jamsan. Injele pumikaze ilozi. Makale nida. So it's blood coming out of the nose. James Mahleka. Nakupedza ndine surprise yabamire. The surprise andichabamire kaskai. Ano mchaurusire. What are you doing? Eh? Come out! So guys, I have a surprise for my brother. I have a surprise for you. He doesn't know. Come out and follow me.
Where?
Say hello.
Hello. How are you doing? Fine.
Okay. Did you get a guys? Look. That's it. Papa can oh, follow me. Mama, you. So guys, this is my home. Welcome to Tandy's home. So guys, you watched the video about the drilling. So this is the wheels. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Here it was reversing over here. Look at that. Can you see? And here too. And yeah. Mama, vara red door. Another zero. So yeah. My brother.
Yes.
I want to say thank you so much for always taking me to the bus station. You know, my guys, you always takes me to the bus station.
Each and every time.
Every time, right?
At 12 midnight.
Yes, 12 midnight at night, because here we get only one bus going to Gweru. So when I'm going back to town, I always make sure that I bother him to wake him up, and then he takes me to the bus stop. So I want to say thank you, my brother, for everything, for making sure that I'm safe and sound, taking me to the bus stop. Okay, I have a little present.
Surprise.
Yes. To sad ubambela. How to tora? Tora chibuda sasita mngomafanyisi. So I have a little surprise. Keep on cleaning them, Ben. Little surprise.
Is there a bus going one more? Maya,
Yeah. Just a little appreciation because you know, guys, I saw him. He was wearing a basili using the clothing. Ngelembe tu basili, guys. He was mending. You are going to see how the basket looks like. It will be like what? So you remember when I asked you about
want to see his old tire? What is it?
You remember I was asking you, well, what type of tire is this one? And why didn't you like kunyumwa kwa uzugudi? Why is she asking me about the tire? So I asked him what's the type of your tire. I was just asking randomly. And he said 26 by 2. So I was like, okay, 26 by 2. So let's see his bicycle where he was fixing. You guys, look at that. Is gamba. Look at that. You know. So he was putting his gamba and all that. So I had to make sure that I have to buy him something.
A new one tire.
So it's the right size, huh?
Yes.
You said 26 by 2, so it's written here somewhere.
No. Up.
26 by 2. Exactly. So I was like, okay, let me do this for him. So yeah, it's for you. So this one's okay?
Yeah.
I had no money, you guys. I wanted to buy 2, but I had no money, so I just had to buy 1. At least it will save you.
Thank you very much.
Yes, you're welcome.
Hey, will bless you.
Okay. And Makoti? The new Makoti, what do you have to say? Makoti is very shy, my guys. Anyway, it's okay. Look at that already. Axela Moya. But anyway, she's happy. Very happy.
She's happy.
Very happy. How
Let
can
me
she
remove this now.
Yes, remove. You want to see everything.
Right this minute.
We have to see everything.
And I want to throw it away.
Okay.
Right. It is Sunungura, man.
Yes. Now changing this old tire, putting the new one. Come on. Spoon again. Oh, for it. And there's mommy. Say hello, mommy.
Hello, how are you? I'm just resting here.
Yeah. We just got here.
We are from afar.
And
So
I'm still here to
resting.
fix all that. Okay. Oh, yeah. Hello, boom. This is my lights. Anyway. No fab. Mvura nde igwe. Yangotiwa. It's hot, you guys. It's very hot, but it rained today in the morning. We are not complaining. Look at our maize. You see the difference. It's been a week now. You see the difference. This maize, when they track with the bow drilling track, when it came, and now you see the difference. You see, guys, I don't know what got me, what got my hand. So my hand is swollen, very much swollen like that over here. I don't know what was that. Maybe a swintila or what. I don't know what bite between me. Yeah, ezikwamba. Oh, he's saying that now it's very hard for him to remove this because of the
patching.
The patching. They are too hard.
So yeah, this
Oh, right. What if liponchira tuzalungisa njani manje?
Vile kanzi.
Very hard to remove.
This side very Yeah. This side.
How do you know which side?
My arrow.
Oh, you have arrows.
Yes. Yes, nylon.
Eh?
Original. Where's the nylon?
Eh?
The nylon.
Kolelala eh?
Really?
Lega deri khona le.
So nylon. Hey, slow punch.
Alika sashadini. Yalingalaleni.
Yeah, but it could be just like 26 by 2 and 3/4.
Sala so mele menditaya.
Yeah.
Phakathi lawo akala mathaya lesi.
Ayo.
Kumele abe lethaya phakathi. Lakakhulu vela lethaya phakathi.
Tube.
Atwa yini tube. So I'm asking whether my dads have tube as well or they're tubeless.
That's what she.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Whopper.
Whopper.
What's the punch?
Wawula shuru kulo kala shuru.
Gala. So
see you when he is like riding on the basket. Let's go and see what Makoti is doing. The Makoti is doing. So you guys, I wanted to go to the river, you know. I wanted to go to the river to see the water falling. the waterfalls because it rained. It rained. So we can actually hear the Shangan River whilst we are here. Look at me walking on foot. Mpokani indaba sokuloqala. Ubuya kuma video abanye abantu. Who does that? Look at that. Mabros, we call this one mabros, guys. You say mulberry, here we say mabros. Ma? Oi! Alright, coming. Yummy. Ada kaponja. Ne punch. Look at my hands because of mulberry.
Liyahluphi ngoba lijaphela ukufara ngezandla. Kuze lama pitching.
Sagola. My dad is waiting. He says like, where's everyone? Alright, Sabu.
I did not go to see your dad to say hi because he's weeding. I'm tired. Now he's saying I should go there, I should follow him. No. I have to take my hoe and go and weed.
Yeah.
Well, I'm very, very tired. Where are my things? Living in the village is very hard, man. We've got no time to rest. Jimson! Where is my hoe? You come around with him? Yeah?
It's my mom. Say hello. Say hello, mom.
Hello, how are you? I'm very tired.
Very tired. Yeah, guys, we've been walking.
Very tired.
We're not tired, but at least we are home. Home sweet home. Home sweet home. So guys, when you're in the village, a bicycle is very, very important because you'll be moving very fast because we walk long journeys. So if you have a bicycle, you have any advantage. You can move faster. You can actually send him to wherever you may be, also Kwala Chief or wherever. It's easier because he has a bicycle. And I haven't greeted Daddy. I will go and greet him when we go to weed.
Ma? Umumbopi?
Kasa usiba kuhle.
Ohla kulizolo.
Ita tone timbona mshi raida.
What? Yeah, one of those.
Taka.
Right, man. Wow, Fampanyore. Fampanyore. Ush.
Oh, Dinda. That's a Dinda.
Fampanyore.
Yeah. Right. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, you like, and you comment down below. This is Village Life with Thando Mahlega. Intombi yakandlovu isiqamla mesa kamthambeni. Bye. Bye. Selihlakulile. Onke lapha. Lapha. Ijalo.
Lapha yani. Lapha samisa lilanga.
Sebenzi.
Lilanga ilo laphambanisa. Ngazaqeda ukuthi asiyahlawula njani.
Ato kofolo. Yebo.